Marine Lines Mumbai, Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Marine Lines Mumbai-based Marathi families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Marathi marriage bureau cum wedding planners in Marine Lines Mumbai. A marriage bureau for Marathi elite and middle class families. Passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Marathi bride-groom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Marine Lines Mumbai. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Marine Lines is a prominent locality in South Mumbai owing to its importance in terms of business, transit and tourism. The name Marine Lines is derived from the Marine Battalion Lines, a military establishment built by the British in the 19th century. The battalion was later converted to an Air Force residential quarters and now lies just south of Metro Adlax. Marine Lines was also the name of the road on which Bombay Hospital and Liberty Cinema stand. It is now known as V. Thackeray Marg. Marine Drive is the most famous promenade near the station. Marine Drive has one of the finest Art Deco residential buildings facing the sea. Near the station, there is a Muslim cemetery and a municipal crematorium, Chandanwadi. Adjoining the station is the famous Marine Drive flyover, the only link to Marine Drive over the tracks from Princess Street beginning to end. New Marine Lines is the area just south of the station near Churchgate. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Marine Lines Mumbai, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Marine Lines Mumbai. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Marathi life partner in Marine Lines Mumbai has been taken up by Marathi marriage bureaus or Marathi marriage consultancy in Marine Lines Mumbai. Today I will introduce you a Marathi matrimonial service provider in Marine Lines Mumbai which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Marathi families in Marine Lines Mumbai for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Marine Lines Mumbai, but the marriage bureau in Marine Lines Mumbai who have changed the concept of Marathi partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker service in Marine Lines Mumbai. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Marathi family is looking for in their search for a bride-groom in Marine Lines Mumbai. Yes, they keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Marathi matchmaking services in Marine Lines Mumbai. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Marine Lines Mumbai to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Marine Lines Mumbai. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Marine Lines Mumbai. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they recommend us to their colleagues in Marine Lines Mumbai. Dharma Vedic top features are: Number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Marathi database of profiles in Marine Lines Mumbai, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Marine Lines Mumbai. Number 3. Our Marathi personalized matchmaking service in Marine Lines Mumbai fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding menu and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Marine Lines Mumbai. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Marathi matchmaking process in Marine Lines Mumbai. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.